This is gonna be a short video. So we just wanted to get that out there first, because this is mainly just an update video to show you what it is we found out while we're messing with the Uzi. Let's get over there to my little workstation and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. Guys, we have not actually filmed a video inside our house since it messed up, right? Since our house messed up. And actually probably even before that, because it was wintertime and it was feeling good outside. So we made a lot of videos outside. Riker always wants us to film inside because it's cooler in here compared to outside. It's almost 100 degrees outside, so it's really hot.
Because it's summer.
Right, all right.
It's hot.
Let's take this over here and let's show everybody what we got.
And we're sweating it. So.
Yeah, come on, dude. This is where I do some of my work. Let's set this off to the side. What we want to show you only involves 2 screws. That's it. So if you have this Airsoft or considering on getting this Airsoft, we would highly recommend you check this out. You need to flip this around to the other side.
Look at that. Wait, I don't need it.
All right, Riker's got the screwdriver. So the first one, no, it's not that one, dude. Leave that one alone. So we're gonna remove this little screw right here and then this little screw right here. The only 2 we're gonna move. So go ahead and start with that one, dude. He's backing that screw out real quick. Oh, there it goes. Don't lose that one. Back that one out right there. Okay. There we go. We'll set that one over there. All right, so those are the only 2. So remember, this screw here and this screw here. Now let's bring this over here. Now this does not change the performance at all, only the look of it. And it was really some of you guys that commented about the stock that made us want to question. It looks like it should move. It looks like it should do something. Let us tear our Airsoft gun apart. That way you don't have to mess yours up. That way we can figure out if this thing works. And check this out. I'll just let Riker show you. And then I'm gonna show you how it's done the right way. Look at this. Check that out. The stock unfolds and you can actually shoulder that thing. Look how cool that is.
Now that kind of cool.
Yes, now let me see, let me hold that up. That's what it looks like when you have the stock fully extended. It's so neat. We did not know that happened. So let me show y'all how this actually works real quick. Now that I got it back in place, this is how it's gonna be when you first remove those 2 screws. So right here, you're gonna see these 2 things right here. All you're gonna do is kind of pull and lift out of that spot, because these things, you can see them right down here, they're catching. It's not letting it go down. So you kind of like gotta pull out and go over that thing. To see how it'll catch right there. So pull back out and go over it, and that's it. So you'll just extend that one back. Now this one's really easy, because once you have that out, this just folds over. These 2 little knobs right here are gonna be when you go, it just catches and locks itself into place right there. You can just shoulder this Airsoft now that it's in place. And it's a really cool feature and we did not know. And you don't have to put those 2 screws back, because now you can just close it. And just like before, lift over that thing right there. And then it locks itself into place. And then you have it to where you can hip fire. If you thought that was pretty neat, let us know down below. We just wanted to show you that feature because we thought it was cool and we had to share it with you because we didn't do it in the original unboxing of this thing or review of this thing. Guys, that was it. We'll see you next time.